Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to show you how to switch your DYNEO DD circulator into remote control mode, either using the USB interface or the optional RS232 if you have it. You start off by having the menu highlighted in red. You want to select Connect Unit, Remote Control, and it will give you the option of either USB or RS232. So if we select USB, go back to the home screen, so you will see an R in the upper display, R off on the display, and then next to the set point it will change to USB, indicating that it is in USB remote control mode. Now, if you have the optional RS232 interface, you can select that. And there are various settings under digital interfaces for the RS232. So you can see we can select between 1200, 2400, and 4800 baud. 9600, 19.2, 38.4, 57.6, and 115.200. Our factory default is always 4800. We have three options underneath the handshake: none, software, and hardware. Our factory default is hardware. And we have three options under the parity: none, odd, and even. If you select none, it changes your data bit stop bit ratio. Our factory default is even. So if we put it in RS232 mode, go back to the home screen, now you will see in the next to the set point it says RS232. Again, you have the R off and the big R in the top of the display, indicating that it is in remote control mode. To go back to manual control mode, again, go back to Connect Unit, Remote Control, select off, back to your home screen, and now it says set point again, indicating that it is in manual control. That is how you set your DYNEO DD to remote control using either the USB interface, which is standard, or the optional RS232 interface.